Grits are one of the clearest examples of how African American foodways sit at the crossroads of indigenous, African, and Southern history. Long before grits became a breakfast staple, indigenous peoples of the Southeast were grinding corn into coarse meals and cooking it into porridge-like dishes. Enslaved Africans encountered this food early and made it their own. For enslaved people in the Low Country of South Carolina and Georgia, grits were not a luxury. They were cheap, filling, and often issued as part of daily rations. Corn was abundant and inexpensive, and grits could be prepared with little fuel, making them practical in plantation kitchens and enslaved quarters alike. What made grits culturally significant was not the ingredient but the technique. Enslaved Africans brought with them culinary traditions centered on grain porridges, dishes made from millet, sorghum, or rice that were slowly cooked and often paired with sauces, fats, or vegetables. This familiarity allowed them to adapt corn into something nourishing and sustaining. Grits were rarely eaten plain when alternatives were available. Drippings, fatback, fish, or greens might be added when possible, transforming a basic starch into a complete meal. In coastal regions, grits were commonly paired with seafood, reflecting both geography and African culinary logic. Through emancipation, grits remained a cornerstone of Southern Black diets. During Reconstruction and into the Jim Crow era, economic hardship made inexpensive foods essential. Grits endured because they could stretch meals and feed families reliably. Today, grits appear on upscale menus, often stripped of their history. But their origins lie in necessity and adaptation, proof that survival foods can become cultural anchors. Come back tomorrow for the next dish in our 28-day series.